I'm going to show you a complete guide for Moomoo Australia. Now, the first thing you want to do is that you have to head over to the actual website here, moomoo.com/au, and then you want to go ahead and download the desktop version. So you want to go ahead and download here. You can also download the mobile version if you'd like, but I prefer the desktop version here. Just tap on this button to download now, and you can see it'll start the download right here. Let's just go ahead and wait for this to start downloading and to finish downloading. Once it has finished downloading, let's just go ahead and open it like this, right? Let's just go ahead and run it like this. Now, once you have run it, you'll see that a window will pop up very shortly. You can see right here. Now, on here, you can go ahead and just install Moomoo Australia. Make sure this is checked as well. So just go ahead and tap on this to install. You can see it'll install really fast. Let's just go ahead and wait for this to finish. Now, once it has finished, you do need to log in. So you do need to sign up to have an account as well. So make sure you have done that as well. And you can see once it has finished, you can see it'll say installed. Welcome to Moomoo. Let's just go ahead and tap on open like this. Now, let's just wait for this to boot up real quick. Now you can see this is what it will look like. In here, you can enter in your email, user ID, or your phone number, or you can log in with any one of these methods. I'm going to log in real quick. Once you have logged in, this is what you will see. It'll be pretty overwhelming, but it is pretty easy once you have gotten the hang of all of it. So you can see there's gonna be a couple of windows and a couple of options as well. This is the main window. This is called the watch list. There's a chart, there's options, there's ETFs, financials, valuation, corporate action, shareholders, profiles as well. You can see this is where you can watch or see stocks or stakes, right? There's also markets here. You can see markets. There's also accounts. But for accounts, this is where you can actually start investing, right? You will need to open an account. And if you want to open an account, you will need to enter in a couple of credentials to actually open an account. There's also custom. There's discover. And then there's a couple of other things like alert, notification, chats, community, and also your actual account here. Now from here on out, you should be able to start trading once you have opened an account.